Oriental perfumes are known for their rich, warm, and exotic compositions, but choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Whether you're seeking a fragrance for a special occasion, a signature scent, or something that exudes opulence, this list has you covered. We've carefully curated 5 of the best Oriental perfumes to suit a variety of preferences. Let's delve into these timeless masterpieces to help you find your perfect match. Kicking off our list at number 1, Guerlain Shalimar. The Guerlain Shalimar, launched in 1925, is one of the most iconic Oriental perfumes in the world. Inspired by the romantic tale of Emperor Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, Shalimar exudes luxury, love, and sophistication. Key features: the fragrance opens with a citrusy burst of bergamot and lemon, leading into a heart of jasmine, iris, and rose. Its base of vanilla, tonka bean, and incense provides a warm, sensual finish that is deeply captivating. Benefits and usage: Shalimar is perfect for evening wear, formal events, or romantic settings. Its exotic and opulent scent profile creates an aura of elegance, ensuring you leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Usability: this perfume suits women who appreciate timeless classics and love fragrances with depth and warmth. Its rich composition makes it ideal for cooler seasons, allowing the scent to fully bloom on the skin. Durability: renowned for its impressive longevity, Shalimar lasts 8 to 10 hours with strong sillage, ensuring you remain enveloped in its luxurious aura throughout the day or night. In the second spot, we have Creed Royal Oud. Creed Royal Oud is a sophisticated unisex fragrance that blends the traditional allure of oud with a modern twist. Introduced in 2011, it combines Oriental richness with fresh and woody notes. Key features: this fragrance begins with citrusy top notes of bergamot, lemon, and pink pepper. Its heart unveils a woody blend of cedar and galbanum, while the base showcases oud, sandalwood, and musk for a creamy, smoky finish. Benefits and usage: Royal Oud is a versatile fragrance that works well for formal occasions, office wear, or casual evenings. Its unique blend of freshness and depth makes it a standout choice for any season. Usability: this scent is designed for both men and women who appreciate the complexity of Oriental fragrances. Its refined profile appeals to those who want a sophisticated yet approachable scent. Durability: with excellent longevity of 8 to 10 hours and moderate sillage, Royal Oud ensures you maintain a commanding presence without being overpowering. Coming in at number 3 is the Chanel Coco. The Chanel Coco, launched in 1984, is a glamorous Oriental fragrance that embodies the spirit of luxury and refinement. Designed for confident women, it is both bold and elegant. Key features: the scent opens with a spicy blend of coriander, mandarin orange, and peach. Its heart is a floral bouquet of jasmine, rose, and clove, while the base combines amber, sandalwood, and vanilla for a warm and sensual dry down. Benefits and usage: Chanel Coco is perfect for special occasions, evening events, or colder months. Its rich and spicy character makes it ideal for those who want to make a bold statement. Usability: this perfume suits women who prefer classic and luxurious scents. Its sophisticated profile complements both formal attire and elegant casual wear, enhancing its versatility. Durability: known for its outstanding performance, Chanel Coco lasts 8 to 12 hours on the skin with excellent sillage, ensuring you remain unforgettable throughout the day or night. Taking our 4th spot is Serge Lutens' Ambre Sultan. Serge Lutens' Ambre Sultan, introduced in 2000, is a masterpiece of Oriental perfumery. It's a rich and aromatic fragrance that captures the essence of warm, amber-filled deserts. Key features: the fragrance opens with herbal notes of oregano and bay leaf, transitioning into a heart of amber and labdanum. Its base combines vanilla, sandalwood, and patchouli for a deep and earthy finish. Benefits and usage: Ambre Sultan is perfect for evening wear, intimate gatherings, or as a cozy winter scent. Its warm and resinous aroma creates a comforting yet luxurious vibe. Usability: this perfume is ideal for men and women who love intense, amber-dominant fragrances. Its bold and aromatic profile suits those who want to stand out with a unique and memorable scent. Durability: With exceptional longevity of 10 to 12 hours and strong sillage, Ambre Sultan ensures you leave a lasting impression wherever you go. And finally, at number 5, we have Diptyque Volutes. Diptyque Volutes is a luxurious oriental fragrance that takes inspiration from the romantic imagery of sailing voyages. Launched in 2012, it's a blend of smoky, spicy, and sweet notes. Key features: the fragrance begins with notes of honey and spices, leading into a heart of iris and tobacco. The base of myrrh, benzoin, and styrax provides a resinous and warm dry down that is both soothing and exotic. Benefits and usage: Volutes is versatile enough for both day and evening wear, making it an excellent choice for those who love multi-purpose scents. Its smoky sweetness makes it especially fitting for fall and winter. Usability: this unisex perfume caters to anyone who appreciates artistic and niche fragrances. Its unique blend of spicy, sweet, and smoky elements makes it a great choice for those seeking something unconventional yet sophisticated. Durability: Diptyque Volutes offers moderate longevity of 6 to 8 hours and a well-balanced sillage, ensuring a refined presence without overwhelming the senses. Oriental perfumes are a celebration of warmth, richness, and exotic beauty. From timeless classics like Guerlain Shalimar to modern interpretations like Diptyque Volutes, each of these fragrances brings a unique story and luxurious experience to your collection. Whether you prefer amber, oud, or spicy accords, this list has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fragrance reviews. Thank you for watching, and let these perfumes elevate your scent game to new heights.